he's wild. And it's so early, I'm not even awake yet. I'm still a little sleepy. That might be a cop. Oh my god. Oh no. Good thing we're going straight. Not even awake yet, get pulled over. What stop sign? Oh, Bob Marley at 9 o'clock. I'll take it. We'll top off. I can never get this off. Oh my god, dude. Mother. Dude. What the fuck? That is so painful. You want ethanol free or diesel? Okay, well, you're getting ethanol free. I did not know it was that low. Holy shit. Almost overdid it.
Damn, what?
Yep. I call it like inflatables or inflation or something. That's the poo-poo juice. Makes me need to poop just looking at those. That's the one right here. I hope you know these are going straight into your backpack.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll buy it.
As long as you're aware. Only real gangsters have Maverick rewards.
Yeah.
Told you 6 a.m. was the move. Here we are at 8:30 or 9 and it's already 80. I don't even play Fortnite this early. What am I doing? The funniest part is no one's forcing us to be out this early. But here we are. Free will type shit. Instant arm pump. I have no clue what gear I'm in. Nope. Coaster. A little jump to Manny on that thing. Make the turn. See, Supermotos are cool until you need a kickstand. One group member connected. That's you. You're the group member. Side saddle action. Oh. Let me show you how to coastal. Yep. Oh. 649 miles. What does that equate to, like 2 hours if I list it on Marketplace? Clean title, never been scraped. Gotta been fiber, gotta been fiber. Gotta been fiber.
Aluminum.
Aluminium, aluminium.